Hi, so create cinematic banner in Adobe Photoshop. Here is the glimpse what we are going to create today. Mountain hills banner. Okay, so you can create better design than us if you watch till the end. Okay, so let's get started with the video. So first you should set up the height, canvas, and then upload the image. Okay, then once it is uploaded, you use pen tool to draw the shape, and then Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Now you double click on the layer to open layer style, and then enable shadow effect. Okay, adjust the angle, add text left hand side, which is explore, then you adjust the width and height accordingly. Now you duplicate it, now write cinematic, so explore cinematic, again duplicate, write the third text landscape, so explore cinematic landscapes, align all three. Now you bold the second one, which is cinematic, and then copy the color from the image and paste it with navy blue, the sky color text. Now we'll write the body text, the bigger text actually, in smaller size. Okay, discover the beauty of nature in its most cinematic form. Now you need to reduce the size, align all these text, header and body text. Now you add a shape, which is button, fill it with the same navy blue color of the cinematic word. Round, make all corners round, add the text. This is the CTA button actually. So explore now, call us, or book now, anything you want, you add the text on it. Increase the size, text size. Fix it. Fix the text on it. Now align all this text and button left side. Now we increase the button so that the text size also will increase automatically. So this is how our banner looks. The file will be there in the description. You can check it out, like, subscribe and email us for any suggestion. Take care. Bye.